Hello, hope you're all well. I've reached a bit of a milestone today. Got these machines in position. Thought I'd do a bit of a video, show you what's going on. Never done anything like this before, so hope you enjoy. The lathe is a Harrison M500. It's not levelled up or anything yet, but it's in position. Done a bit of cleaning up, it was in a bit of a state. It's sat outside, sheeted up for several months now since I bought it, waiting for concreting to be done in here. Now we're in. Nice tidy machine, good condition. Hardly used, I think, in its working life. A 3-inch bore through the spindle. Do both metric and imperial threading. Nice old solid machine. Nothing's hooked up yet, but one step at a time. The coolant pump down here. Big 3-jaw chuck. Quick change tool post. Sadly, I only got one holder with it. One thing I have found about buying big machines is big tooling has big prices. But with a bit of luck, you only have to buy most of it once. It is metric, which is going to be a bit of a challenge for me. I've only ever used imperial lathes, but I'm sure I'll learn. The mill's become a bit of a dumping ground. Got a 90-degree angle jobby with it. Could be useful. Some sort of collet chuck. I'm not sure what it's supposed to fit, but it don't fit any of my machines, but it came with the lot, so. I haven't touched this one yet, it needs a lot of cleaning up. Trusty pallet truck. It's what I've used to do most of the moving, along with skates and jacks. Good fun. Some of the stuff that came with the lathe. Big toys. Great big Allen key that don't seem to fit anything. One of them. Yeah. Not seen that one before. That's a rotor brooch type jobby. Yeah. Some of the other bits that came with the lot. Not sure if you can read that or not. Not sure if I'll ever use it. or yeah. One of these bad boys. Big 4-jaw chuck, needs cleaning up. One of them. Sure you're liking the technical terms. Old tractor that I've just bought this week. Fordson 1946 E27N, petrol paraffin, or TVO as it was. A little Lister Auto truck. The twin cylinder Lister diesel engine, LD2. Grove stevedore crane. Good fun. Never seen another one in the UK. Handy bit of kit. There's also a man basket that goes on the front. Very useful if you're brave enough to get in it. Thought you might all want to see a little poke about inside this end. Me too. Alrighty. Looks jolly good fun in here. This is like a magnetic brake. A dead one of them. Squished. Some spare gears. Presume this goes down to an oil pump. There's a pipe comes up here, feeds the oil through this glass. Little switch. Yeah. Exciting times. A bit of luck on the next video, might have things running. Still got everything to level up. Haven't done any of that yet. Literally just plonked it down on the pads that came with it. So, I hope you enjoyed that bit of a look around. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and be giving me a like. Certainly be appreciated. Get some more videos as we get set up and get the machines levelled up. Hopefully start turning some metal. Thank you very much.